Hello to all my dear CA Foundation students. I am pretty sure all of you, the January 25 students, are getting pumped up to start your studies now. And I today want to discuss the study plan for the CA Foundation Law with you all, how to start, what to do, and not to do. But before I start with that, every person needs motivation, whether it's you or me. And when you like a video of mine and you leave a comment or you leave a like, it gives me a motivation that I am doing something good, I am on the right path, and I should keep doing it. So if you actually feel this video helps you, please leave a like and a comment. Now, moving to our study plan, first of all, one thing that I still want to remind you again, do not, please do not stress yourself on section numbers. You already know it is not at all important for you to write the section numbers in the exams. So it is absolutely okay if you don't write them. So please don't stress out for the section numbers. The last point, which is the most important point, I'm leaving it for the end. And now let's talk about the chapters. Generally, what happens when you start studying, you start with Indian Contract Act is the first chapter, huge, and also it is like a 32 or a 34 marks chapter. So we know that chapter is quite important, and we start with that. But this chapter is like a sea. You dive in, but you don't find any, you just keep going in and in. There is no end to it. Just like that is the Indian Contract Act. And I want you to be motivated to continue with the studies. So rather than starting with Indian Contract Act, let's do one thing. Let us start with Partnership Act. Once you're done with Partnership Act, go to Companies Act. Ma'am, I can do LLP no before that. No. If you have completed Partnership and Companies Act, LLP is like a cakewalk. So rather than going to LLP right now, you should just go to Partnership, complete Companies Act, and then obviously LLP is a combination of the two. Go to LLP Act. Once you're done with this, and I actually am targeting that before Diwali, you finish off these chapters. Once you're done with this, go to Sale of Goods Act, go to Negotiable Instruments Act, and then you go to your Indian Contract Act. One more thing, yeah, obviously we'll be doing a lot of videos from after 21st of October onwards. We'll be doing a lot of videos, live sessions, writing practice, discussion of questions, and all the, revision and all that. But I will be updating you obviously whenever we do that. And one very important point, don't forget the fact that this time the institute had given a very lengthy paper was, I won't say it's tough or anything like that, but it was very lengthy. And if you people don't practice writing answers, you know how difficult it would be for you to write that paper. So don't forget this one answer every day. Happy learning and stay motivated.